I'm Ryan, and I'm Pop's favorite cameraman slash grandson. Ta-da! You gotta push it down. Oh, the tree's moving. It's moving! Oh! Wow!
So the reason I took the tree down, when the property was logged 12 years ago, roughly, a lot of the skidders and dozers and stuff damaged the sides of trees. So this one, you can see, very bad. Wasted about 6 feet of the tree where it was all dead, and I got 4 sticks of 11 foot. I need some 2x4x10s. This will make quite a few, so this one's still alive, as you can see, but the whole inside of it's been eaten out by bugs and stuff like that. So I'll take that one down too, make some other wood that I need. So when I take down these diseased, dying trees, what do I do with the branches? Give it to the goats. They just absolutely love poplar. Oh, you guys know what this is, don't you? Sherry gave me a quick trim on my beard. Thanks, Sherry. Sit down! Always got to worry about the grandkids. So we got 10, 11 foot logs before it started raining too bad. And give it a break for a little while. Have a great day.